guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect edit on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos, then go to cutout, then go to auto cutout, and you're going to add in a text underneath that video first. I'm just going to type in the word gorgeous as an example, and I'm just going to change the font as well. Scale it up a little bit, and then I'm just going to copy and paste it. On the second one, I'm just going to put it above the video. I'm just going to then select this as kind of the outline, and then I am just going to right click, create compound clip. Go back to basic and then go back to blend mode. If your outline is a white color, select brighten or screen. If it's dark, select the darkened one like me. And as you can see, you can still see like the color behind that, and you can also still like see the video, and I think it's pretty cool. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.